What's going on? Madden Maniacs. Coming with a new video. Your boy Dep, In Depth Productions. And I'm going to I think it's 105K pack opening. I'm opening up the, um, what is it? The Roads to the Playoffs packs, okay? So let's go to get into it. Let's see what I can get. All right, so pack number one. Let's see, what can I get? So we get supposed to get one road to the playoffs player, I think 2 goals and 2 silvers. So let's see what I get here. All right, I have not bad. I got an A.O. Shipley and a Kirk Alonso. Two, that's not a bad pull. Let's go to the next pack. Let's see. Hopefully I can get one of those elite players. They have some really good players in these packs. Let's see. All right. And I got a Orlando Scandrick 83. That was a horrible pull for 21. Come on, where those elites at? Let's see. All right, got a Brandon Tate and a Malik Jackson. That wasn't bad. Two of the roads to the playoffs players. That wasn't bad at all. Let's see. Okay. All right, got a Derek Carr and a Reggie Nelson and a James Jones. Not bad, not bad. All right, last pack. Come on, let's go out with a bang. Let's get it. Come on. All right, so I got a Jake Mearworth, and so these are pretty bad packs to me. I mean, I did get a couple of 80s, but you know, I'm spending 21K, but it's okay, you know. So they got this new promotion going, so I'm pretty sure there's a lot better players that's going to be rolling out. So, thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting, and thank you for sharing. Until next video, it's your boy Dep. Peace.